Hi, I'm Jess. Thanks for jumping on and viewing this video today on this channel. Because it's very new, we'll be doing all sorts of little bits and pieces, do a little bit of makeup, do some tutorials on some bits and pieces that we get in the mail. Also be doing a bit of special effects makeup and tutorials, things like that as well. So if you are into makeup, special effects, just a few bits, tutorials of random bits and pieces that I get in the mail, stay tuned, maybe subscribe, drop a comment down below of what you might want me to review or do a tutorial on, and we can go from there. So today's going to be a little bit different. Tutorial on faux freckles. I know there are a lot around. There's a lot online. There is two certain ways that I do mine. I can do one today, but one sort of needs to be done at night time before you go to bed. The one I'll show you today is a very easy, very everyday, quick, simple one to do. I'll do my makeup first and we'll fly through that, and then at the end I'll show you how to do the freckles. So I've just used a bit of this, just put under the eyes. Again, it's nowhere near full coverage, but we're going to put some faux freckles on, so we'll try and cover up those bits and pieces anyway. Don't have a neutral eye. I'm going to attempt to put some lashes on. I'm going to attempt to put some magnetic lashes on. Let's see how this goes here. Stuff's so good. It's now empty, it's the second one I've gone through. It's not easy to get through when they're really good. So I've got these magnetic, what are they? Magnetic lashes from Glam Pro. We've got the liner, should turn that way. and then the lashes, so I have enough trouble getting normal ones on. Let's do this. So just got a brush. Very black. Let's give it a go, shall we? I'm going to do this off camera because it's going to take me, God knows how long it's going to take me. See you in a bit. Hi, we've zoomed in. Okay, so I went and applied the magnetic eyeliner. It's surprisingly easy to apply. It glides on really well. It's really black. It has no forgiveness to it, so if you stuff up, you can't wipe it off easy enough. I didn't mean to do wing liner. I mucked up, and as you can see, I had to turn it into this, and even this is shocking. It dries really quickly, so you don't have much time to work with it, but it is very black. It's very pigmented. I do like it a lot. I don't have any mascara on because I'm going to apply these lashes with no mascara on. When I put mascara on my lashes are really quite long, and it's quite hard for me to get those falsies around them. So I'm going to attach them, we'll try to attach them with no mascara on, and then we'll come back and we'll also see what those look like. Okay, they're on. I put a bit of mascara on my lower lash line. What do we think? They are very pretty, they're very fluttery, they're very easy to put on. As you can see, for some reason they just don't want to stay on. They don't want to stay on, especially the inner corner. The inner corner keeps popping off. It's actually very, very frustrating. The inner corner just lifts. I don't know if you need to have a really thick bit of liner on there for it to attach itself to, or what's going on with it, but it keeps coming up. It keeps doing this one as well, but especially on this side, and they have the same amount of liner on either side. They're pretty easy to go on, and they're easier to go on than normal lashes because you have to wait for the glue to dry and then apply it. These ones just clip straight on because I can't see very well. The normal lashes usually end up drying in the wrong spot. But these ones went on pretty easily. They just wouldn't stay on. I do have a couple of ideas though. Like one, can you get plastic tweezers? Can you get plastic tweezers? Because these stick to my tweezers. If you're wondering what these are my dental tweezers. Oh, they're so super long, but they're perfect for lashes with that bent end on them. They are really good for lashes. But yeah, they're my dental tweezers. But yeah, look, it's up again. It just keeps coming off. Oh, what's doing? I don't know what it's doing. I have also noticed that these lashes only have 3 magnets on them. So one on either end and one in the middle. I think I would feel more comfortable if they had a lot of maybe smaller magnets spread out over the whole band, and that might be a bit more secure. So I'm just trying to get more comfortable. Yeah, because these ones are staying on pretty well. They are very pretty. I could wear, and they're very comfortable, really comfortable. Look, it's up again. I can't wander around all day like this, and then the wind will catch it, and it'll just go, and just come off. So they're not attached very strongly. More than 3 spread out over the whole band to make it more secure. Plus, if you can get plastic tweezers, use plastic tweezers because they connect to your toes. Get them off. Keep coming off my eye. Well, let's see if I can show you how quickly I can get these ones on. I mean, they're not going to stay on, but let's see if we can get them on. So that faces are also full. Can't be helped. Okay, so that's on. Not in the right spot, but it's on. Oh, there's also a bit of fluff on it. Okay, and now we do the inner. See, they're just like the other two have gone on so well. These outer two, freaking perfect. Look, done, on, look great, feel great. Yeah, this one just keeps coming off. This one's actually come off as well. Oh, easy, that one's back on. Anyway, I don't know what they are. They're really pretty. If they had more magnets, if they were attached better, they're more secure. I think I could wear these every single day. The eyeliner is good, not that I can put it on properly. The lashes themselves are gorgeous. They just won't even stay on my eyes. Okay, alright, let's forget about the lashes now and let's do some freckles. So these are the way that I do my faux freckles. Keep in mind, the makeup I've done today is quick. It's not perfect. It's not even in an everyday. I don't even wear makeup every day. It's just something that I chucked on so we had something else to look at besides the norm. Okay, so to do my faux freckles, what I usually use is a little beauty blender, some translucent powder. I use my LA Girl. What is this? It's a gel liner that I use. And I also use another dental tool. Surprise, surprise. So I've got another dental tool. Surprise, surprise. I know not everyone will have something like this lying around. The other reason why I use this is because it has a very, very fine tip on it and gives me really nice little dots. So you can also use a paintbrush. I know that you can get those little angled like the brushes for this purpose are actually like little angled brushes with a really, really micro fine tip on it. I don't have one of those. If I did, I would use one of those and I would use that straight on my face. But what I do is I get my little paint pot, I get my little beauty blender, and I stubby my little gel liner, and I put little dots all over my beauty blender. Like that off. And I put little dots all over my beauty blender. This is what I do. And then I just tap them on my face. A few more. You will get some that will be odd shapes. You will get some that will be dark, like a fair bit darker than the rest. Don't freak out. Oh, I was about to actually put that straight on my face. You can fix them. See, those ones are quite dark. We can fix them. Get up and over the nose, cheeks, a few on the forehead, a few on the chin. Okay, so there's some freckles now. We just need to lighten them up a little bit. Okay, so we've got some quite large, quite dark freckles on this side. So what I'll do is I'll dab them with my beauty blender a little bit. Try not to push them around to smudge them so much. We don't really want big. Right, big smear marks. We just want just some in those areas taken off. Now you are also going to get naturally dark freckles placed around your face, so having one or two here and there is no big deal. What you could even do then is go and get a little brush or a little tip, something I might actually use my tweezers again and dip the end of one of them in and just do another dark freckle there, and then I've got the scar there. I'll turn into one. That's the scar, will turn into one. We're going to lighten these up in a minute as well. We're not going to leave them this dark. Okay, now I've got natural freckles that are breaking through. Let's just darken a couple of them. We won't go too crazy today. We'll just do a few. Okay, so I've zoomed you in so you can see that I've put some of the quite darker ones around, just so we can have a look and see how we, sorry about that, how we lighten those up. So I'll just get my beauty blender and just give them a bit of dab. Now I've put these ones, that one is over the top of a pimple, I think it is. And I've got these ones, they're a bit darker. Okay, cool. Now this is where we get our translucent powder. Get a bit of powder on our brush. Always tap it off into a lid. Always, and then I just always go over the top. A bit more into the lid. Oh, I just picked up a lot of powder doing that. That lash has popped up again. God, that's gonna drop. Yeah, that is how I do my faux freckles. I think that they look quite natural because I do have a lot of freckles myself. I really like freckles on people. I think freckles give you a bit of character, make you a little bit different than everyone else. I also think that nobody needs to be perfect. Nobody is perfect. So if you have a blemish here or there, work with it, turn it into a beauty spot. Make it into a freckle, turn it into something else, put a piece of glitter on it, who cares, just make it work for you. But that is my faux freckles, especially in the winter when you don't get a lot of sunshine or anything like that. Maybe the eyeliner's not that fantastic. Yep, yeah, so it turned out okay. Not too bad. I think the next time you see me I'll probably have purple hair. It's light pink. I think we'll go purple. And I'm also about to take these lashes off because I can feel this one flickering around. Alright. Hope you're happy. Subscribe, leave a comment, leave a like, do what makes you happy, and we'll see you next time. Bye! Yeah. Noses.